A very good morning to you all. I am Garima Sariyal, your EVS teacher, and today we are continuing our chapter, that is elections in India. So in the previous class of this chapter, we got to know that how does elections happen in our country and who can vote in those elections. So today we will study our next topic, that is Union of India. So students, we have studied that India has total number of 28 states, right? We have studied that in India, in our country India, there are total number of 28 states and 9 union territories. So each state and union territories has their government, in which in 28 states there is a state government, and in union territories there is a central government who runs those states and those union territories. So the capital of India is New Delhi, from where the central government seated. From when the central government works is New Delhi, the capital of our country. And the capital of each state is the seat for its government. And the capital of each state has the seat of their government, from where the government runs the whole state. So now we are studying maintaining law and justice. See, there are 28 states and 9 union territories, so there must be some rules, regulations. So we will study that how can those rules, regulations, those laws are maintained by the government. Okay. So, the elected governments are the law enforcing bodies. The elected governments whom we are choosing, those are the elected, those are the informing bodies of the states and the union territories. So, the country has courts of law which review and give justice on matters of violence of laws. There is a union court called Supreme Court, which is seated at New Delhi. So, our country has some courts which look after the laws and regulations which should be maintained by us. So, in New Delhi there is a Supreme Court, and it looks into the law and justice issues of the entire nation. The Supreme Court looks after the law and justice of the entire nation, of our entire country. And it is the highest court of appeal. The Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal. So after Supreme Court there are high courts, and in every state has a high court which looks into the law violation matters of that state. In every state, in our states, in the states which are present in our country, there are high courts after Supreme Court, and total number of high courts are 24 in our country. So we have studied that there are 28 states, but it is written that we have 24 high courts in our country. That means that some states and union territories are sharing those high courts. So you have given a table here in which it is given that which state or union territories are sharing their high courts. So first high court is Bombay High Court, and it is shared by the states Maharashtra, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu and Goa. Bombay High Court is shared by these states. Next is Kolkata High Court. It is shared by West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next High Court is Madras High Court, and Madras High Court is shared by Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Next is Guwahati High Court. So Guwahati High Court is shared by Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Next is Kerala High Court. So Kerala High Court is shared by Kerala and Lakshadweep Islands. Next is Punjab and Haryana High Court. So Punjab and Haryana High Court is shared by Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. And High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad, it is shared by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So these are the states and some union territories which are sharing the high courts which are present in our country. So first we have seen there was a Supreme Court, which is the highest court of appeal. After that, High Court is coming, and after High Court there is a District Court. So District Court is at the district level, which looks after the cases or the issues on the district level. So these are the maintaining law and justice bodies which are present in our country, in which superior is Supreme Court, then after that comes High Court, and then after that comes District Court. So we have studied different kinds of things in this chapter, like elections in India. We have studied the Union of India. We have studied the different kinds of courts present in India, which maintains the law and orders in our country. So students, I hope you have understand what I have taught you in this chapter about our country. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.